Hi friends, today I am going to tell about one mysterious dinosaur, one camouflaged dinosaur, and one of these dinosaurs have a lot of claws. First, let's start with the Indominus Rex. The Indominus Rex was in the Jurassic World. It was not fully grown at that time. So, if a fully grown Indominus Rex would reach up to 50 feet, and it's very intelligent. It learns very fast. In one episode in the Jurassic World, it learned how to beat an ankylosaurus. It flips it upside down and bites it at the neck. It learns very fast. It kills for fun. It is a theropod. You know what our theropods are, right? Great sense of smell, great eyesight, long tails for balancing with their big bodies, and sharp teeth. Good eyesight. So next, what it has is, see those spikes, right? These spikes, they are for protection, and this dinosaur can be not damaged by several T-Rex strikes, bites, and a few raptor strikes. With all these, it can be not damaged, and this can be not destroyed by an RPG shot, means a rocket launcher. So, in one episode in the Jurassic World, it was being struck by an RPG shot, but it recovered, and it was not even having any wounds and went away. Next, it has a good smell. It has a good sense of camouflaging. This is a fast learner. Its DNA adds vipers, Deinosuchus, Giganotosaurus, and velociraptors, and many other species of these terrifying theropods. And next comes one of our mysterious and horrific dinosaurs are the Megaraptor. The Megaraptors have some sharp, pokey, what do we call them? Claws. They're very sharp. They're made not of bone. They're so hard than bone. It can pierce anything, even some wood. This dinosaur is dangerous. Why? Because it eats fish? No, it's a theropod again. Theropods have good smell, good eyesight, sharp teeth, and some great sharp teeth and tail for balancing with their big bodies. And this is a fish eater. I'll tell you how it hunts down everything. It stays in the water like a rock in ponds or rivers or lakes. It just stays like a rock still. And when a fish comes near to it, it just snaps it with its claw and eats it. Like that. This is a dangerous dinosaur. Next. Before, in one of my videos, I told you about the Stegosaurus. But I forgot one point at that time. So now I'm recovering that in this video. Its spikes most important. They're for show off and for cooling them down in the Triassic. These dinosaurs live only in the Triassic time period. And in the Triassic, it's hot like crazy. So, these spikes are used to cool it down. these pork spikes, I mean like claws, help it for protection. For suppose if a T-Rex come to scaring it away. Yes, as I was talking about, next what I was talking about is the Indoraptor. The Indoraptor has this hair. It's not hair. It's kind of pointy nails out. This is very intelligent because one of its DNA connects to a velociraptor. So, and see, the velociraptors in one of the scene, it opens the kitchen door. So that's why it's so intelligent. So these dinosaurs, in one of the scenes of Jurassic World, I don't know, it was attacking a girl, but John, the scientist, he came and shot a bullet here, but it was able to withstand it. And in one other scene, it was kept in a cage, and one old man went in. Before he was going to shoot the Indoraptor, it fell down because of its thinking, because it's intelligent. It knows that the hunter is going to shoot her. So, it fell down automatically by its intelligence. When the hunter came close to see, he came near to its head part. Then, to make another contraction, it lifted its tail and wagged it. The moment he was about to see what was behind, it kept its tail down. And then when he was looking there, it directly attacked it on his hand and crushed it from any kind of layer, flesh, bone. These teeth can just pierce some stuff. Even its claws DNA come into the Megaraptor. So the Megaraptor is a DNA, and with including the Velociraptor DNAs, these two DNAs are mixed in this dinosaur. Thank you. I will tell about the skull crawler. It is a predator which likes to eat all the time, and it appears sometimes from nowhere. It has only 2 legs, no hands. It has a huge tail. In Kong Skull Island, when Kong fights with one, I think that's many of these skull crawlers, they actually have a lot of power. You know, at that time, it does, when in one of the parts, it gets its tail around Kong. You know, like a swirl. How a snake swirls up for its nests. That way, it swirls up its tail at Kong. And then, in one other series of the same movie, its tongue can reach through, like, for example, from here till a long distance. So its tongue is very long. So what it did is, it took its tongue and wrapped it at Kong's its hand, and took it into its mouth. It doesn't have teeth at the front, it has only at the back. And the tongue was able to take the prey back till behind teeth and chew it up. It has eyes, normal eyes here, and empty eye sockets. What are those for? Extra eyes? No. Therefore, some X-ray eye look. So, it can see through a rock. For suppose, like this. For suppose, see these empty eye sockets? Those for X-ray scanning. And there are not just these eyes it has other eyes behind the skull. This is a skull crawler. Why do they call it as a skull crawler? Because at the front here it has a skull and the crawler is added efficiently. So that's why they call it as the skull crawler. This is also called as the premium reptant. It has a huge tail and 2 legs. So it eats a lot. Next,